everybody, so I am working away in the Dolly studio, trying to get a little bit organized before I get some sewing done. Catching up on videos. I have been really behind because life has been not the best the past couple of months. But life goes on, and I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. And I am actually kind of weeding through some dolls, believe it or not. And I know that's something that we collectors do occasionally. In fact, let me know in the comments down below. Is that something that you do occasionally where you kind of decide some dolls have to go? A lot of it has to do with the lack of space for me. And just the feeling I get overwhelmed when I have dolls that I just don't do stuff with too much. And that's why these two girls are staring at you. All right, so these are both dolls that are... Oh, the lighting's horrible. The sun is just bursting right now. These are both Our Generation dolls, and they're really, really cute. Okay. But when I got them, I had not gotten any of the American Girl dolls yet. And, of course, I have champagne taste. Okay. But I'm actually thinking I'm going to give these two dolls to some little girls that are going to be visiting my family in... I guess next month in February. And I think they're at the right age that they would appreciate them and have fun with them. And I'm going to pick out some clothing for them. I don't think I'm going to give them these outfits. I don't know. This outfit I really like. And these are American Girl clothes. These shoes I'm going to take off of her. I think if I remember correctly, they were hard to get on and off. We'll have to see. If they're okay to put on and off, I'll let her keep those. But for some reason, I'm thinking I remember these were difficult, and I don't want them to have clothing that's too hard for them to get on and off their dolls because they are pretty young. They're toddlers. So, but I don't know. I might give them this little jacket. This is something they might have fun with these little medals. I could see them playing, Olympics with them and that kind of thing. So I've got these gals. I have a box. I'm going to put them in here in a few minutes. And I need to go through some clothing for them too. So I just have a pile of clothes here. In fact, the redhead actually came in this original dress. So I think I'm going to, and it's something that I just wouldn't use. My dolls tend to be kind of boho-y style. And so I think I'm going to give this with her. So she's going to have that. These are some little dresses I made a while back, and I think I'm going to give those, because I can actually make them again if I want to. And these are very easy for, excuse the finger. Sorry I gave you the finger. These are very easy for kids. They have snaps, but just a couple. But I think they would be easy to get on and off for young kids. They're just like a little sheath dress. Otherwise, I need to kind of go through what I have here and maybe give them a few other outfits. We'll have to see. These are cute dresses. These might be cute for them. These are Christmassy, and again, these are kind of easy. So I might throw something like this in there. My really good stuff, like I have some really nice, like here. They're not getting this. This little cute jean jacket. This is an American Girl jean jacket, which I really, really like. So that will stay. But anyway, I'm going to dig through this pile of clothing and pick out at least one outfit for them to wear and one outfit to include with them and put them away in a box. And then when I go visit in February, great Auntie Tammy will have some little presents for them, and I will clear off a little space on my doll shelf. So, yeah, let me know down below. Is this something you guys ever do? Do you give away dolls? I mean, how do you manage, I guess, your doll collection? And I'll show you some pictures at the end, showing you in their new little outfits and what I picked out for them to take with them. All right, so I left this little shirt on her. She was wearing this already under that jacket. These are some skirts I made, and I thought, they're both using the same fabric. I kind of wanted to make them similar yet different because these are for sisters. So yeah, so they've got the little skirt they've got, these are leggings. These are actually American Girl doll leggings. I got them, I think, part of a packet or something like that. But I thought they looked cute with the skirts. And then basically they can, you know, mix and match things a little bit. So this is what I'm going to have them wearing when I bring them to the little girls. And then I have a number of shoes that my American Girl dolls cannot wear, so I may as well give them the shoes. I did try these. These actually were able to come off of her pretty easily. I think I was, I think what I was thinking about was I tried to put these on American Girl doll feet, and they did not work. They were just too difficult. I think I got them on, but getting them off was a nightmare. So, yeah. So basically, they're going to have 4 pairs of shoes. These are their original undies. I added a bow on that one, but so I'm going to put in the undies. Like I said, this is the dress that the redhead came in originally. She had stockings too, which I have, but I think those are just problematic for a young girl to try to deal with, so I'm not even going to throw those in there. But so they'll have this dress, this dress, this dress. Like I said, the outfits they have on. I'm going to throw in the Olympic jacket and the medals, and also this little flag. I forgot I had that little flag that came with that. So they're going to get that. I may throw a few more things in there. I'm not sure, but and I have this box I'm going to recycle from my Scribbler subscription. So yeah, so I'm going to put all of these little goodies in there. Like I said, maybe I'll throw in a few more things. And this is how they're going to show up. They have their hair tied back. And this is how I will bring them to their new homes. I think, or I should say home, because it's one home. But this is I think this is a good way to kind of share my doll enthusiasm. And, you know, what little girl doesn't like a new doll in her life? And she has stuff to play with while they're visiting. You know, keep them busy while mom and dad are trying to do stuff around here. All right, guys, so let me know in the comments below what you think. As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.